It is summertime, and what is better in the summer than an ice cream cake? And we are going to make a vegan one. Hi, welcome to Cake Mom. I'm Abby, this is Emery, that's Aaliyah, and on this channel I share with you guys some of my favorite tips and techniques, as well as recipes to help you with your home baking projects. If you're new or haven't already, please consider subscribing to this channel and hitting that notifications bell so that you can see when I post my next video. So it is summertime, it is hot. I wanted to share with you guys another fabulous no-bake recipe because nobody wants to run an oven when it is 100 degrees outside. And this one is vegan. So, as always, the recipe will be in the description below, but here's everything you will need. Oreos, vegan chocolate chips, coconut oil, coconut milk or coconut cream, vegan ice cream, a variety of dairy-free heavy whipping cream, powdered sugar, and vanilla. So this cake is completely customizable to however you like it, but I chose these 3 flavors of ice cream. These are pretty great. They are almond based, so I'm excited to use them. And Oreos. Now it depends on where you stand with veganism, but there are no animal products in the ingredient list on Oreos, so they are technically vegan. Now it does say that it could be cross-contaminated with milk products from the factory, so if that's a problem, you'll want to find a different vegan cookie. The first thing we are going to do is make a chocolate ganache vegan style. So you want to take some coconut milk or coconut cream and some vegan chocolate chips. You're going to heat up your coconut cream until it is almost simmering and pour it over your chocolate chips and stir it until it is smooth. So this is going to serve as our hot fudge. However, when we put this in our ice cream cake, we don't want it to be hot. So go ahead and make it ahead of time and let it cool down to room temperature. Next, we're going to make some cookie crumbs for the middle of the cake. So that's what the Oreos are for. So we're gonna grind up some Oreos, melt some coconut oil, stir it all together, and then we have this yummy, buttery cookie crumb. So now we have our cookie crumbs and our hot fudge. It is time to get the ice cream in this cake layered. So I'm going to start with vanilla because when I finish this cake, it's going to go upside down and I want the vanilla on top. So take your vanilla ice cream and stick it in either a mixer or a hand mixer and just whip it up just till it's fluffy enough to easily spread. I have softened this on the counter for about 30 minutes. Now take a springform pan that you line with parchment paper in the bottom and spread a good layer of your vanilla ice cream. Next, you're going to sprinkle a layer of cookie crumbs and drizzle it with a layer of your cooled hot fudge. What you want to make sure is that you leave a little bit of an edge without any cookie crumbs or fudge. Even just 1/8 of an inch, just because that'll make our finished product less messy looking. So now you want to stick this in the freezer for at least 30 minutes, so maybe even 45 minutes before you put on your next ice cream layer. So once you stick this in the freezer, pull out your next container of ice cream so it can soften. And then we will repeat this process with as many flavors as you want. I'm just gonna do 3, so there will be 2 layers of cookie crumb and hot fudge and 3 layers of ice cream because I want to finish off the bottom with a layer of ice cream, not cookie crumbs. So now go ahead and wrap the top with plastic wrap and stick it in the freezer for 3 to 4 hours. So we're just going to make a whipped cream frosting with this dairy-free heavy whipping cream. Really cool stuff right here. I just found it in the whipping cream section at Publix. Silk dairy-free whipping cream. Just a little bit of powdered sugar, some vanilla, whip it up until it is nice, medium peaks. You don't want to over whip it and make it all curdled and broken. Just right. My vegan ice cream cake. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you might also really like this vegan coconut cake right here. Go check it out. It was delicious and a lot of fun. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment below, we want to hear from you, and hit that subscribe button and that notifications bell so that you can see when we post our next video. Have a great one.